cafeteria. And it didn't work. I'm not taking a picture. Don't worry.
Yes, he's not taking a picture. It's a camera.
Looking at pictures.
No, I'm videotaping. Videotaping.
Touchdown, Eagles!
I'm videotaping. Her.
Okay.
Get the lid, come on.
I already did. It's over there.
Go
On
get
the
it.
floor.
Where? On the floor. Go grab it.
Hey, will you get that for me?
No, I'm not allowed to.
Why not?
Than you.
The cafeteria.
This is what happens whenever you go to the library, or I mean the cafeteria. Okay, maybe that's not what happens, but this is what happens, okay?
Ready? And went under the table.
That's what I call a touchdown for the Eagles.
A bigger touchdown for the Steelers. Yeah.
My grandfather!
Your grandfather? Yeah, apparently she had a grandfather, and he's in the cafeteria.
Oh my
Right, I didn't know that.
Where?
I don't know. Gonna have fun with that?
Yeah.
You should go pick up your bottle.
I should, huh?
Yeah, and the cap is over there.
Staying over there. That's too far away from my fat butt.
This is the cafeteria.
No, really? No, I'm kidding.
No, I'm just going around.
Heads I win, tails you lose.
I win because I conquered the phone.
Mine.
Yeah, I think everything here is hers. She unfortunately doesn't feel like telling anyone until she grabs.
Yes, this table is mine. I created the table.
She pooped it.
I did not. I created it with my bare hands. Check it out.
Her hands more look like human hands than bare hands. That's just me.
Oh, I got it.
Finally. There's her favorite lunch lady who doesn't know we're taping her.
Yeah. I should have brought a book or something. Come here. I did it.
We're trying to get the lunch lady.
Move it.
Taking pictures.
That's not. Let's do it. Now we'll be running.
I know it. Yeah, that was it. Don't take so many.
I'm not.
She's filming.
It's just one big long one.
Yeah. So big. Boy, that's a small little camera.
So I'm going to clean the table.
Yeah, because Kara was sitting on the table.
Don't spray her.
Yeah.
Don't spray the students.
And don't spray the lunch lady.
Huh?
Don't spray the lunch lady either.
Lunch lady.
You missed a spot.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right there.
It's still there.
Oh. 3 people put a comment in that box over there
Wait, what?
that I washed the table too close to him and I was rude. I know, I'm so crushed by it because the 3rd time Janet showed me the paper today and I don't do that.
What paper? I want to see. I want to make a paper.
It's a suggestion box. They're over there at the suggestion box. You know, I mean, that's once or twice you can see, and then I thought, okay, I really watched it like I leave one table dirty beside them.
Yeah.
And now there's another one on there, and I don't even know what to think. It must be somebody that has it in for you or something.
Yeah.
No, seriously.
It was that person.
It was not. I didn't do it.
I joke around with Kara too much, and yeah.
What smart, and they make fun of me. But I never look at them or let on like I know it, but I'm not stupid.
I ain't freaking proper.
No, see,
Give them the old one, too.
what people don't know about older people is sometimes we're not as dumb as...
You think?
And
My mom's not proving that. No, I'm
when
kidding.
they're laughing and looking at you and laughing amongst themselves, well, you know they're making fun of you.
Yeah.
So I just ignore it and go on. But I think it's that table of boys, but I couldn't tell you what they look like because I don't pay.
Where are they at?
I don't even know. No, it's like 5 of them, 5 or 6 of them.
Sorry.
They're not here now, I don't think.